Hey guys, it's Shu. A couple of days ago, we sourced a 2016 Porsche 911 991.2 for a customer, and today we're getting it into the shop to prep it for delivery. I'll be documenting this entire prep process to share with you all. Since it's a 991.2, it's running that 3.0T motor, but believe it or not, we managed to pick it up for only about $64,000. If you guys are interested in this specific model, I'll edit and post the behind-the-scenes footage of exactly how we hunted down this luxury ride. I'll also break down exactly why we were able to get it for such a massive steal, and how we made sure we weren't buying a complete lemon.
wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
We've got the new struts installed too. Really good stuff. The power delivery is incredibly linear, and the car is officially fully prepped. Honestly, the chassis feels super tight on this thing. For corners like this, you really want to trail brake on entry. I'm not really hearing any exhaust pops and bangs though. Still, the paddle shifters are super snappy. Since this 3.0T is a twin-turbo setup, it packs a serious punch. Once those turbos spool up and build boost, the revs just climb aggressively fast.